So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about HCL latest off-campus drive 2021 or HCL latest recruitment drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the later hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the recruitment preparation videos or the recruitment updates. So here you can see we have uploaded minimum of 100 to 150 videos regarding latest of campus. So I am requesting all of you to watch our latest videos especially so that you will be able to know about the companies that are hiring latest or you can say recently for different job profiles. So these companies are Zoho, Microsoft, Rapido, Mdocs, HackerEarth are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I am requesting all of you to apply for these companies by simply clicking on the links that were provided in the description of each video. So I'll be putting the links of the latest videos in the description of this video. So please go through our latest videos. So now let's discuss. So the job profile that are hiring for graduate engineer training or GET, salary will be getting 3.5 LPA plus. That means 3,50,000 plus salary will be getting. Then qualification required is only BE BTech. Other qualification candidates like BSc, BCA or MTech are not eligible for this job profile. Then branch. Only the computer science or IT or the circuit branch candidates like ECE, EEE, etc. are eligible for this job profile or for this off campus. Then drive date is 30th January 2021 on Saturday. So before 30th January you need to apply for this job profile if you are interested. And let me tell you one thing, so it's a offline interview process or the off campus, so you can't attend this drive from your home. You need to visit the drive venue or the location itself. So let's discuss about the application process. So later we'll be discussing about all these things. So if you are interested for the job profile, you need to fill up this Google form. After that you will be able to attend this off campus. So HCL off campus drive face to face drive, it's a face to face, not the online recruitment as we discussed earlier, and it's only for the 2019 and 2020 year of pass out or the batch candidates. So if you belong to 2021 batch, you are not eligible for this job profile, but no worries, in the next video we'll be discussing about the 2021 batch pass out candidates. For the same job profile, same company will be discussing for 2021 year of pass out candidates, but it is especially for 2019 and 2020. In the next video we'll be discussing about this off campus for 2021 batch especially. And drive venue is, this is the college name or the institution name, so it is in Tamil Nadu only. So let's search first. I guess it is in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, it's this college in Tamil Nadu. If you want to take the interview or if you want to attend this off campus, you need to visit that college physically, or you can say it's a offline interview process. And if you are interested, then you need to fill up your, put your email address. Then eligibility, as you discussed earlier, if you want to go through this again, you can go through. Then institution name you need to put, university name you need to put, all these are the mandatory fields, so you need to fill up all these things. Then student name you need to put your name, contact number or the phone number, 10-digit phone number, home state name as per the Aadhaar card you need to put, then home city name as per the Aadhaar card. So they will be checking your Aadhaar card while attending the off campus, so you need to put the exact name or the exact address of your address as a respect to, or you can say as per the your Aadhaar card. Then home city pin code as per the Aadhaar card, complete permanent address. Then 10th percentage you need to put 10th passing year, 12th percentage, then 12th passing year, diploma percentage. If you have not completed diploma, then simply put NA, diploma passing year NA if you have not undergone through diploma. Then graduate degree B or BTech, then graduate specialization or branch, EEE, EC, CSE, IT, you need to choose your branch. Then graduate percentage you need to put, if first you need to convert your CGPA into percentage, then you need to put. Then graduation passing year, if you see carefully here, only two options are there, 2020 and 2019. So if you belong to other branch batch candidates like 2021 or 2018, you are not eligible. Then available to join, so month and year you need to put. So suppose you are available to join their company in any location, they have not asked for specific location. So if you are willing to join their company immediately, then you need to put 1 and year 2021. In February, if you are eligible, then put 0 to 2021. Mention in month and year of joining in HCL if you are being shortlisted or selected for this job profile. So after mentioning all these things, you need to simply click on the submit button here. After that, you will be able to attend this off campus or your response will get registered. So this is all about the application process. So I guess most of our viewers belong to 2021 batch, so no worries. In the next video we'll be discussing about for 2021 year of pass out batch candidates. Same job profile, same job role, no issues. In the next video you'll definitely get a chance, or you get idea about how to apply for this off campus if you belong to 2021 batch. So stay tuned and thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.